Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see a natural home remedy that will help you in controlling the sugar levels and manage your diabetic condition. So in diabetes we are said to be manage your sugar levels as not going into so much fluctuations because it goes either high or it goes either low. So in diabetic, maintaining the sugar levels to the normal is very important. So that is the reason why we have to, like, if we when the sugar goes to the fluctuations, more fluctuations, it will affect your any other parts of your body. So maybe with or without diabetic, we need to control our sugar levels to the normal every time. We need to maintain our sugar levels to the normal. So, for maintaining the sugar levels into the normal in diabetics, we will get a very effective result by using a natural remedies. Natural remedies will help you in controlling the sugar levels and maintain your diabetic condition to the normal. So for this remedy here we are using bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is very much effectively worked for the maintenance of the sugar levels to the normal, not going into the fluctuations, because you may take it in any other way, like you can have it as in a tea, or you can make it as a juice, or you can make it as a detox water, or else we can prepare any recipe, we can dry it and make it as a chips, and we can add it to the any of our meals. So it is very important to take the bitter gourd every day in our daily life. It effectively works in controlling the sugar levels. So now here we are taking bitter gourd for about half a piece. We need to cut it into 4 to 5 slices and make it pieces like this. It's very simple method yet very effective for the diabetics. Now take a glass of water, add this cut pieces of the bitter gourd, mix it well, cover it with a cover it off and keep it aside for a whole night. Whole night leave it like that only, and next day morning you need to take out the pieces and take that detox water. And so you have to drink that detox water, which is made by the bitter gourd, every early morning in an empty stomach regularly. This will help you in cutting out the fats from your body, cleansing out the fats from the body, make your digestion improved, make your metabolism rate also improves, and it will mainly help you in controlling the sugar levels and manage your weight and also manage your diabetic condition. So it's very much effectively worked. It may be a simple method, but it very at best remedy for diabetics.